Thank you guys for being here. I don't do public speaking, so I wrote everything down because I didn't want to miss anyone. So first and foremost, I want to thank God for being my constant source of strength and guidance, standing by me through every challenge and triumph, and leading me with His unwavering love. To my mom, my siblings, and my grandparents, thank you for believing in my dreams and supporting me, especially when I doubted myself. Your encouragement has meant everything to me. A heartfelt thank you to all the doctors at Skyline Center and the Health Center. Your dedication to teaching us, ensuring our success in this program has not gone unnoticed. A special thank you to Dr. Hudson, Dr. DeVault, and Dr. Hawk for making my clinic experience so enriching and rewarding. Sherman College will always feel like home. I look forward to stepping out into the real world, helping my community and sharing the healing power of chiropractic. And then I'll leave you with this quote before moving on for the next chapter of my life. Around here, however, we don't look backwards for very long. We keep moving forward, opening up new doors and doing new things because we're curious. And curiosity keeps leading us down new paths. And it's from Walt. So to new paths and new beginnings.